house. Yeah, busy day today. Just showing you biochar. It's quite fascinating. Every time I cook outside, I do my biochar. Look at that, completely biochar the whole piece of wood. So, and the great thing is you can just use scraps of wood you find just around, and then I'll crush this all in here with some water, maybe some pea, and then what I'll do is crush it and then add some compost to it, so it kind of gets it inoculated. And then what I'll do is put it over the top of the compost heaps. Yeah, the greenhouse inside is 22 degrees right now, so it's really beautifully warm. I've noticed something's been after me, broccoli on the leaves, so I'm actually going to get a cover for it today, just to make sure it's protected a little bit more. It's lovely and warm in here. As I say, 22 degrees right now, and actually going to build out the back wall with bamboo, and I've also got an idea to pattern it on the inside as well with some thinner bamboo, so it's actually got some bit of a pattern there. I cut all the pieces already, so the whole thing will be, so again, using materials zero waste and not using up other wood that I could be using for something else. And this was stuff left just in the rack, so might as well use it up in that way. Plus it's replaceable as well, really easy. Got some new little seedlings coming through. There you go, little babies in a compost bed here. This is a new compost bed. And yeah, my garlic's going. It's a beautiful day, and I'm trying to get my hugulkultur still ticking along. I was collecting just stuff, some wood. Here's a good example of it. Digging down, piling it all in, and then we'll cover it back over with some topsoil and some compost and some chicken manure, so we'll get a good balance of things there. I will eventually seal up all these little gaps with making some kind of homemade kind of cob, and then put a lime wash on it just to keep it from kind of rotting through. So you can see the greenhouse, how big it is, and it's lovely and warm, so I'm going to do that today. The house. Have you stayed out?